Hi guys, so I wanted, let me get out the sun because Kai is in the sun. I wanted to touch on this topic a little bit. If you guys have been keeping up with the news in Jamaica, you would have heard the story about the two guys that were trainees at a hotel in Jamaica. It was the Rio Hotel in Jamaica that raped the two female guests. One of the guys were shot by one of the victims that they raped or tried to rape. A lot of details are being withheld because they're still doing a investigation, and quite frankly, all the stuff that I'm seeing now, like, I feel like females more than ever need to be guarded, need to have their guards up. People that you love and trust. Look at that guy in Georgia that was married to that woman, and because he did not want to go back to Jamaica, he slit that lady's throat. He slit the woman's throat. Quite frankly, I don't feel sorry for him. They're actually wanting to get the death penalty for him, and I don't feel sorry for him. I don't have any remorse. Condolences to the woman, family, and her children that lost their mom. Their mom will never ever be replaced. Like, that's a life you can't give back. Those kids are going to live in resentment forever. And I say that to say, women need to be on guard more often. We need to be on guard. Do not just put your guards down for anybody, especially men that we lay with, we sleep with, we love on, we give our all to. They are the ones that are coming back to hurt us. And a lot of men will say that women provoke the man them, and them cuss out the man them, and them they cheat and they give away the front and all that. But that does not warrant you taking somebody's life or trying to rape somebody. If somebody says no, they don't want to have sexual intercourse with you, they just don't want to have sexual intercourse with you. It's not that deep. Girl, they road dash way, we want to fling with them crutches. Girl, they road dash way, where we sell them crutches. So why are you trying to invade someone's privacy and take it up on yourself to rape them? I example the two guys that raped the hotel guest at Rio in Jamaica. Look how much waist, girl, butter foot, butter ears, knuckle up, girl, there Jamaica, where we give you pum pum for free. But you see a woman at a hotel, women who are vulnerable because they're traveling alone, they're in a hotel room alone, there's no men present. I bet you if those two women had one Jamaican man where they come look for them at the hotel, or they come visit with them, or they were entertaining some other Jamaican man, I bet you those two guys wouldn't have done what they did. They find it very easy to prey on women in Jamaica. Women, children, and elderly are being attacked in Jamaica, and I feel like people need to start paying attention. When you're going to your house, make sure you keep them in your hand. I know it's illegal in Jamaica, but to protect yourself, make sure you have some pepper spray. If you can get one licensed firearm, get it. Okay, go through the classes, get your permit, do everything you have to do in order to keep yourself safe. And I'm not saying that women are innocent. I'm not saying all of them are innocent. I'm not saying that they didn't do something. I'm not saying that. But nothing warrants you killing somebody at all. Look how this woman got Jamaica, go take up the man out of poverty, brought him over here for him to experience a better life, and look what the repayment was for her. Gone are the days when every woman, whether you come from England, Europe, America, Caribbean islands, used to say, me want one Jamaican man. I love a Jamaican man. I need a Jamaican man. If you're a Jamaican, them run up on your fast. Not anymore. Not anymore. And these Jamaican men, I don't know what is happening. I don't know if they're being triggered. I don't know if they have mother issues or woman issues, or some woman rip them off when them young, or seduce them when them young, because that's what happens to a lot of Jamaican youngsters. Their first sexual experience was with a older woman that tried to seduce them into doing things, sexual things with them. So I don't know if it's that, if they're being triggered, if they're then just snap, if they can't take it anymore. But walk away. Walk away. Not only are you going to lose your life, because you're gonna end up in jail forever, if not, you're going to get the death penalty, but the other person's life that you take, their family is going to left in mourning. And I don't know anybody's family that can say they recovered from something like that. That's disheartening. That's heartbreaking. That's gut-wrenching. The man stabbed up the girl, almost severed the girl's neck. How heartless can you be to do something like that? Something like that to a woman that stood up before God and man and married you, took you out of the predicament you were in, and took you over here for a better life. If a person that claims that they love you and before God and man made vows about loving you until death do you part, and through sickness and in health, what do you think just a regular man is capable of doing? They're capable of doing anything. And quite honestly, he had the time to do a voice note, and like that in itself, I definitely don't feel remorse for him, because in the voice note I showed out this is somebody, that there's somebody, and they talk about how he just snap and the devil just did the work on it. Like, there's no excuse. And the mere fact that you're doing a voice note while you just severed somebody's head, I can tell you right then and there, you had intent to kill her. It was premeditated to kill her. And she also thank you very much, babe.
I'm gonna get something.
They interrupted my video, but let's pause.